Good morning, guys. Welcome to Maris Life in Australia. Look at this. All right, this is like a bamboo that makes the sound, right? But we keep putting this up on top there to stop the sound, because sometimes when it's too windy, it gets really loud. Look at this. See? And I don't really want the neighbor to complain. I love the sound because it reminds me like I am in Bali. So, ayan guys. So, ayan, may mga pictures ng Tree of Life. Okay? I paid about $35. Ayan. Very nice. Then I show you another one that I got, but indoor. Guys, look at this. In the meantime, look at this. My capsicum tree provide me some veggies like this, but why? Bakit nahinog agad? Why it goes so ripe so quick when it's little? These are all newly picked. Look at that. You know how sweet it is when you just pick a new tomato. You know, they are señorita, they are tiny tomato, and I love to cook steamed rice, then slice this or eat this with steamed rice with fried fish. So I'll take you to my other plants. Take this baby inside the cage first kasi it's gonna bother me when I get to bed. Hi Baba, you have to go in your cage for a while because I need to go in the garden and you're gonna annoy me. Okay, again, Maris Life in Australia. So here is the other one, guys. Okay, this one is a bit expensive. It's a musical chime, but this one is expensive. My daughter and myself ordered one, and it plays its own music. Dinig yan, guys. See? Listen. I don't put it outside, but my daughter and everyone else that comes and visit it always hit their head and they're getting annoyed. Maybe I should put it outside. Lagay natin siya sa labas. Now see as well what it's like to have a pet. There you go. Look what happened. He pulls everything. Look, my shoes is missing. I don't know what happened. He's taken it out somewhere. It's everywhere. All the smell. See, guys? Can you hear that? You won't hear the proper sound unless I put it outside. So, let's see. There you go. I put it outside. Much better, I guess, rather than inside the house. Ang ganda. It has a certain tune. Now, let me take you to my snow piece. Since my hubby put a backyard, a fence or something, the little mouse are no longer damaging my plants. See? Very healthy, very healthy. My parsley is very healthy. All his silver beet. Oh, hang on a minute. My beans come up. That's good. And then here comes the snow peas. Hindi ko siya nalagyan. I wasn't able to put a nice how you call it, sticks at the moment, because last time because of the mouse, but now look, it's starting to grow. And this one has got flowers already. Every year, guys, I plant snow pea. Ay, ayan, may flowers na. Look, it's gonna start having some snow peas. Oh my god, ayun na. I didn't notice that a while ago. It's got some flowers already. Yay! So, and then over here, look at my potato. Ayan, potato yan guys. I just put the seeds in there. Then there'll be potato there. And over that side, that's sweet potato. Later on, there'll be lots of sweet potato there. So ayan, sweet potato, snow peas. Ayan, oh, may mga bunga na, oh. My goodness, tumubo pala yung ano ko. It's a pity only one came out, oh. Beans. So anyway guys, ayan, there goes my garden at the moment. Then I planted some garlic. Mom gave me some bulbs and look, it's coming up. It's really good. We put some soil there. Yeah, so these are all garlic from Mom. Look at that. And some spring onions. Yeah, they are useful. I really use them in the garden. Check out my lemon tree. This is my mulberry tree. Sooner this will be rich in fruits again. And my lemon. There you go. There's quite a lot of fruits up there. My God. It's covered. It's covered. Wow. Let's pick this one here. This one there. Ako, tigas. Okay. Here we go. This I use for my hot water drink in the morning. The calamansi is cutting back now in fruiting because of winter, but throughout the year guys, I never run out of these fruits. Even though it's starting to slow down from fruiting, it still gives me fruits. Palagi pa rin may mga prutas, palagi pa rin may mga kalamansi. Ayan, no? It's really good. And it's a beautiful weather today. Although there's a bit of shady cloud there, but other than that, it's a nice day today. And there's my hanging snow pea. And this is the small capsicum tree. And my tomato there. See? There you go. I haven't planted much lately, so... Oh wow, listen to the musical thing, because it's outside. When the wind blows, you can hear it. I hit it with my head, that's why. Oh, so when the wind blows, listen. This baby's inside. I only have 2 hands, so I can't carry. It's too much. Oh my God, my dog made a mess there. Okay. Let's put this away. Hi, Babs. Sleeping? Don't want to sleep yet? My husband bought me some custard apple. There you go. It's one of my favorite fruits here. Let's see if it's sweet. Kasi sometimes you buy it when it's still firm and... Pwede na. This is my breakfast. Just annoying to eat because of the seed. Ayan guys. Puro buto na. Finish. And for some of you who doesn't understand about Mexican mango, this one here, the red one, I'm sure it has some Mexican mango. It's actually not bad. You know, I bought some and tried it yesterday. It's actually not bad. My mango, my mango. Pag ganyan kalaki mango mo, maliit yan. Try it too, guys. It's not bad. Mexican mango. Look at this room, guys. Look at this room. Yeah, look how messy. Oh, tingnan niyo tong room na to. Kahit anong pagpaganda ko, no matter how tidy I turn this room and everything, this becomes my husband's jungle room. Tingnan nyo. Meron pa siyang ano dyan, oh, na naiwan na dahon na para sa mga ibon. Oh my God. Jesus. Ayan, maglalaba tayo. Nagkalat yung mga ano niya. Ay, nako. Are they really like that? You know. So, I have to wash all this. Sabi ko sa kanya, make sure you put all your dirty clothes on the floor so that when I see it, I will wash it. If it's not on the floor, then it doesn't get washed. So, guys, look at that. My God, no matter how I clean it, it's just, it keeps going back to the same thing. But then again, it's okay. Kasi, he hardly sleep on our bed because I go to bed early and he goes to bed late. So if I go to bed early and he jump to the bed, he'll wake me up. So he uses this back room often to sleep. But when he feels really, really cold, then he moves to my bedroom. But not really all the time because I also had some air conditioning fitted there. So ayan. So let's do some washing. My goodness. Washing load. Let's bring out some washing liquid. I use Radiant Brightens white colors. Brighten white colors. Actually, I'm not pass. So I use one. Eh, makikita nyo may mga birds dyan because this is where he does his birds. 2. Tinamad na magtakal. Ayan, 4 siguro yan because my husband always does the birds and he gets really yucky. He gets really yucky. Not gonna worry using measurement. I just fill this up. Bit more. Close. Press the button. And I only set it for 15 minutes wash. That's it. Otherwise, the longer version is 1 hour. Too long. So we'll wait and hang it later. Morning. Welcome to Maris Life in Australia. Hi, Lucky. Good morning. Good morning. How's my boy? How's my boy? Hello. Pretty boy. I love you. I love you. Hello, pretty boy. Hello. Kiss, 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 mom. Kiss, 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 kiss. Now, let's see the canaries. We bought the pair. And then after about a month or so, my husband has set up a cage. Oh, there she is. She's back on her cage. Because a while ago, she wasn't at her cage. She left her cage for a while because she's got eggs. She's got 4 eggs down there. No, Jasper, don't. See? There you go, guys. See? See if I can get... there you go. She's got 4 eggs down there. So, this must have been nearly a week that she was sitting in it. So soon, we'll have baby canaries. There you go. So, I mustn't disturb them. Leave them alone. And I'll show you later. You watch the video that the partner is feeding the female canaries because it's been sitting on the egg, so she feeds it. There you go. That's a better view. So we just put the cup about a week ago and put some feathers and put some little bit of hay and all that. And now look, we got a mama sitting on 3 eggs. Oh, how beautiful that is. Look, I captured that. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Leave them alone and look at this nuisance. Look at this little nuisance. What are you doing down there? What are you doing down there? Right? Oh, you're talkative now. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, Lucky.
Hello.
David came home and he said he's got a cake for me. Ready? Ready? There you go. Happy anniversary, David and Jasper. Cute. Clear the fridge so I can put away the... Oh my God. Yeah, oh. So much is... Oh, no. Where are we gonna put it? The cake. Punong-puno. So much food. I don't know what to do. Oh. Salad up there. This one can go out. Oh my God, pati yung door, even the door. I don't know. Take that out. Put it on the other fridge. This is the drink fridge. And then take, no, not that one. Take that one. Put it there. And oh my God, I forgot we even have some watermelon. Oh dear. Daming pagkain. Ay. I forgot na meron pa kaming watermelon dito. Nako. Sa dami ng pagkain, nalilimutan. Ay. Ang bait naman ng asawa ko, oh. Anibersaryo kasi namin bukas. 5 taon. 5 taon na akong na-spoiled. Na minamahal. Grabe, punong-puno. Diyos ko. Ayan. Ayun. Hindi na malaman kung saan ipaglalagay. Ayan. Buti may tubig dito. Okay. Naipasok din. Pero tignan nyo naman. Ito, punong-puno. Diyos ko. Kahit anong ayos ko rito, palaging napupuno. Diyos ko. Dadalawa lang naman kami. Tignan nyo yan. Grabe. Diyos mio. Dali natin itong leftover na watermelon to the chickens. Yan, pinagbubungkol ng mga chicken. See that? Even the ayun, maitlog na naman. You see that? Ang lalaki na ng mga chicken. My God, parang kailan lang baby yan eh. Pala, share ko sa inyo, no? I was shopping the other day sa Filipino shop. Then I saw this coconut melon something. Ayan, milk drink. So I thought I should try it. Anyway, so I grabbed one for me and mom, being a melon flavor. Hop into the car and tried it. Oh my God! Ang sarap pala nito. Grabe. Sarap pala siya. Bumili kayo. They comes in different flavor. May mango, pineapple, coconut, at saka melon. And strawberry. But this is my favorite. Yummy. All gone.